New concept. These up to this we have covered. Okay. Now we have d square theta by dx square minus d minus m square theta is equal to 0. Again, I am repeating, theta is a excess temperature. Theta represent the temperature above atmosphere, T minus T infinity. Okay, what is T? Temperature of the element which we have considered. Okay, what is T? Temperature of the element which we have considered. Okay, and what is M? M square is equal to Hp by Ka. M square is equal to Hp by Ka. Okay, so now what is this one? E square theta by dx square minus n square theta is equal to 0. This is a second order differential equation. है ना? What is this one? This is a second order differential equation. This you have studied in M3. है ना? This you have studied in M3. Now this has two solutions, complete solution and general solution. So we will focus on general solution. So if we solve this, we need not to solve this. Okay, but after solving this, what we get? We get the general solution. So we can get theta is equal to C1 e to the power mx plus C2 e to the power minus mx. So this is a what? Theta. You can get the value of theta. Theta represent the temperature distribution. Okay, which can be C1 e to the power mx plus C2 e to the power minus mx. Okay, if you differentiate this equation theta d theta by dx, you will get m c1 e to the power mx minus m c2 e to the power minus mx. So this equation of theta, it represent the distribution of temperature, okay, along the fin. And okay, if you put the value of x, if you put the value of x, you will get the temperature distribution at the that x. Okay, simply again, if you want a slope, if you want a slope of temperature of the temperature distribution d theta by dx, then also just put the value of x, you will get the slope. Understood? Now remember these two equations. These two equations are very important. Theta and d theta by dx. Okay, write down these two equations. Theta is equal to C1 e to the power mx plus C2 e to the power minus mx. D theta by dx m C1 emx minus m C2 e to the power minus mx. Okay. Please write down these two equations, theta and d theta by dx. These are the important. Mihir Kulkarni, are you there? I think Mihir Kulkarni has not attended the last two lectures. Nikhil, am I correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Why is absent?
Sir, actually, he tried.
Sir is traveling to Pune.
He is traveling to Pune.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He's coming back from his hometown.
So from last two lecture, he is coming from Aurangabad to Pune.
Today he's coming last two lectures. I don't know.
Okay, okay. What about Goro Gaikwad? Are you there? Goro Gaikwad. Okay. Adhav, are you there? Adhav? Pradyum Jadhav?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember these two equation. Theta. What is theta? Theta is the excess temperature above atmosphere. Understood? T minus T infinity. What is T? T is the temperature of element that we have considered of length dx. Understood? This theta is equal to T minus T infinity. Okay, and what is m square? M square is equal to HP by Ka. These are two important things. Okay. Today I don't have, I have arranged this meeting instantly. Therefore, I don't have the permission of writing anything. Just I can point the laser. Today it will be difficult without writing anything. Okay. So these two equations now are very important, theta and what? D theta by dx. I hope you will mug up these two equations, okay? Or you will memorize this equation. Now we will proceed further. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So now write down case 1, infinitely long fin. Now we will consider the fin which is infinitely long. Now, please, all of you, what we are considering the fin which is of length infinity. Okay, infinitely long fin. Okay, same. The base temperature is T infinity. What is base temperature? The temperature where fins is attached to the solid surface, hot surface. That is called base temperature. Base temperature is T naught. T naught is the base temperature, T infinity temperature of atmosphere. Again, we have considered the small element dx at a distance of x. The temperature of the small element is T. H is a heat transfer coefficient of air. K is a thermal conductivity. Okay. Now, because we have considered the infinitely long fin, okay, so here if you consider the base temperature where x is equal to 0, as base temperature x is equal to 0. Okay, so remember this thing, at a base temperature x is equal to 0. Okay, now what is the length? It is infinite. So if you consider the infinite length of the fins, what happened with tip temperature? Tip means here. Please concentrate on this laser point. Okay, here T temperature is here. What will be temperature if you considered very long fin? So after some time, what will happen? The tip temperature will be equal to atmospheric temperature, isn't it? Because we are considering infinite long fin. So at the base, the temperature was T naught, and as the length increases and the length is equal to infinite, the temperature at the other end of the fin, or the temperature at the tip of the fin, it is T infinity. Means what? It is equal to atmospheric temperature. Understood? Okay. You might get what confused with this T. What is this T? T is the temperature of element which is anywhere at a distance of x. So that is what T minus, that is replaced by theta is equal to T minus T infinity, excess temperature above atmosphere. Okay. So we are considering infinitely long fin, therefore the tip temperature, okay, the tip temperature will be also atmospheric T infinity. Understood? So now we have again boundary conditions. What are the boundary conditions? If you see, the first boundary condition is at x is equal to 0. This is the x is equal to 0. Okay. Base at the base surface x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. What is T? T is equal to temperature is equal to T naught. And what is theta? What is theta? Theta is equal to theta naught. Nothing but T naught minus T infinity. Okay. This is at the base. Is at the base. Then what is second boundary condition? At x is equal to L. L is the length. Now what is the length? Length is the infinity. Okay. So what will be temperature? Temperature is equal to T infinity. Are you getting? So what will be theta? Theta is what? Theta is what? The excess temperature above infinity, na? Above atmospheric temperature. But now at infinity, the temperature is equal to atmospheric temperature. Therefore, theta is equal to 0. Understood? Then now we have to apply these two boundary conditions to these two equations. Okay, theta is equal to C1 e to the power mx plus C2 e to the power minus mx and d theta by dx. Anybody have confusion is boundary condition? Are these boundary conditions clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We are considering infinite long fin. Length is equal to infinity. So if you consider this theta, it is representing the excess temperature above atmosphere. Okay. So here at the base, it will be T naught minus T infinity. And as you proceed along the length, the theta will get reduced. Excess temperature will get reduced. And at infinity, it reaches to T infinity. Means at this point where length is infinity, the temperature theta will be 0. Okay. So now we need to apply these two boundary conditions. Okay. So now you apply first boundary condition. Suppose what we will get if you apply first boundary condition, that is T is equal to T naught, theta is equal to theta naught. Okay. At x is equal to 0. So C, if you put x 0, so C into e to the power 0. What is e to the power 0? 1. What is e to the power 0? 1. So it will be C1 plus C2 is equal to theta become theta naught. Okay, theta naught. So you will get this second equation if you apply boundary condition 1. Okay. Please give me response. If you give response, then I will proceed. Otherwise, I will consider you are not getting anything. And in this Google Meet, I can see only the screen. I cannot see your names. Then I have to come out of the screen and check your attendance. That is what. creating disturbance during the lecture. So are you getting?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So we need to find out the value of C1 to C2 in order to find out theta. Okay, means temperature distribution along the length. Okay. So we have find out now. Apply second boundary condition. What is second boundary condition? At x is equal to infinity or L. What is t? T is equal to t infinity and theta is equal to 0. This is what second boundary condition. So therefore, again apply this second boundary condition to this equation theta is equal to this one. Okay. So if you apply this boundary condition, what you will get? 0 is equal to C1 e to the power m infinity plus C2 e to the power minus m infinity. Okay. Now C2 e to the power minus infinity. E to the power minus infinity means 0. Okay. Whenever there is a minus infinity, okay, to the e, whenever there is a e to the power minus infinity, that will be 0. That will be 0. And whenever there is a e to the power positive infinity, that will be infinity. Okay. Therefore, this will be theta is 0. 0 is equal to C1 into infinity plus 0. Okay. This is a mathematics. Whenever there is a e to the power positive infinity, that will be infinity. Whenever there is a e to the power minus infinity, that will be 0. So this term will be 0. So 0 into C2 is 0. Okay. So 0 is equal to C1 into infinity plus 0. So this equation will hold if we consider C1 as a 0. Understood? If you consider C1 as a 0. So therefore we got C1 as a 0. And now what about equation 2? Equation 2 which we got early, na? After putting the boundary condition what we got, C1 plus T2 is equal to theta naught. So if you now put C1 is equal to 0 here, this value, okay, what you will get, C2 is equal to theta naught. Just remember the steps, the logic, no one will ask you a derivation. Okay. So C2 is equal to theta naught. Now if you put the value of theta naught, so what is theta naught? Okay, T naught minus T infinity. So equation 1 become what? Now this is equation 1. Okay. What is C1 value? C1 is 0. So 0 plus theta naught minus T infinity into e to the power minus EMX is equal to what? Theta. This will be now equation 1. Please go through these steps. Okay, and see now how equation 1 has changed. Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Saurabh Jadhav, are you understanding? Harsh Gaikwad,
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Varda Kade, Pradyum Jadhav,
Yes, sir.
Hemkant Patil.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rudrani Patil, there is some network issue. Okay. Let it be. I am again telling you this type of the equation will not going to ask in examination, but you should know the procedure. Otherwise, I would have directly given you the formulas. Okay, but now you are in third year. You should know the procedure, not the formula. How you got that formula? Okay, so we have find out C1, C2, and now this equation. Okay, this equation is now what? T minus T infinity into e to the power minus EMX is equal to theta. Okay, understood? This is the what equation. Now what is T minus T infinity? It is what? Theta naught. So what you will get? Theta naught into e to the power minus EMX is equal to theta. Is equal to theta. Okay, so if you consider what will be e to the power minus EMX, it will be theta minus theta naught. Sorry, theta divided by theta naught. What is theta? Theta is a T minus T infinity. Okay, and what is theta naught? It is T naught, temperature when x is equal to 0. T naught minus T infinity. Okay, so e to the power minus EMX is equal to theta by theta naught is equal to what is theta? Theta is equal to T minus T infinity, and theta naught is a T naught minus T infinity. So this is a what? Temperature distribution. This is a what? Temperature distribution. Okay. This is a temperature distribution along the fins. You need to remember this formula. You need to remember this formula. Okay. Now, again remember this T naught minus T infinity e to the power minus EMX theta. We can differentiate this equation with respect to x. So we will get what? Minus T naught minus T infinity into m e to the power minus EMX. Just remember this one. We will need this in future. Okay. So what is this one? E to the power minus EMX is equal to theta by theta naught is equal to T minus T infinity divided by T naught minus T infinity. This is the temperature distribution along the fins. Along the fins when the fins are infinitely long. When the fins are infinitely long. Okay. So I would have given you directly formula, this last formula. Okay, but I think you would have not understood what is theta, what is theta naught, what is T infinity, how that is related to e to the power minus mx. Okay, you should know the process. Therefore, I have spent almost 1.5 hours to derive this equation. Understood? So please write down this one, e to the power minus mx theta by theta naught is equal to the temperatures. Okay. Finished? Then, now what is Q? Q is the heat transfer by conduction at the base. We need to find out the heat transfer when the fins are infinitely long. Okay, what will be the heat transfer by the conduction at the base? So how you will find out the heat transfer by the conduction at the base? Q is equal to minus Ka dt by dx at x is equal to 0. है ना? Because what is the x at base? It is the 0. Now what is dt by dx? Can you replace dt by dx by something else? Anyone? If anyone answered me what we can replace dt by dx, okay, I will give him or her 500 rupees directly GPay. Please send me your account number. I will transfer directly 500 rupees.
So d theta by dx.
Here now, hello, please tell your name and tell me the answer.
Sir,
Please tell the name and then proceed with the answer.
so my name is Harsh. Sir, is it d theta by dx? D
Harsh Gaikwad.
Sir, dt by dx.
What?
D theta by dx.
Yeah, very good. Very good. You won 500 rupees.
Sir.
Because we have seen now. Please see here, when we have replaced t minus t infinity is equal to theta, dt by dx is equal to theta by dx. Now you will talk again, what about t infinity? T infinity is constant now. So when you are differentiating constant, it is 0. Okay. Atmospheric temperature, what is T infinity? Atmospheric temperature, it will remain constant. So therefore dt by dx is equal to d theta by dx. So here, therefore, when we are calculating the heat transfer by conduction at the base, when x is equal to 0, okay, so q is equal to minus ka dt by dx at x equal to 0. So we will replace now dt by dx is equal to d theta by dx. Very good, Harsh. Okay. So now, again we will proceed further. Okay, now what is d theta by dx? Here I have given you already hint. We will require this. We know theta is equal to this one. So what is d theta by dx? Okay, we have differentiated this equation and then we got d theta by dx is equal to minus t naught minus t infinity into m into e to the power minus emx. Okay, this we have calculated earlier. Okay, so replace this d theta by dx, okay, by what? Here again I have shown you theta is equal to this one, so we have calculated d theta by dx. Okay, so replace d theta by dx is equal to what? Now here q is equal to minus ka minus this one, this term, t naught minus t infinity into m e to the power minus mx, but where? At x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0. Oh, I am not getting this pen now today. Okay. Understood this step? So now if you put the value of x is equal to 0, if you put the value of x is equal to 0, e to the power here will be 0, so only m will left. So q is equal to kam, calm, into t naught minus t infinity. Okay. And therefore now what is the m? We have already, what is the m? What is the m? M square is equal to hp by k, है ना? M square is equal to hp by k, that we have seen here. When we have replaced the equation, here we have seen hp by ka is equal to m square. So what will be m? M will be under root hp by k. Okay. So here here after you get Km into T naught minus T infinity, now we can replace M. M by is equal to what? HP under root HP by K. Okay. And then if you under root K will get cancelled. So what we will get? Q is equal to under root HP by Ka T naught into T infinity. Okay. This is a what? This is a heat transfer by conduction. This is a what? Heat transfer by conduction. Okay. Now, if you calculate heat transfer by convection at the base, it will be same. It will be same. It will be come out to be same. So heat transfer by conduction at the base, okay, when x is equal to 0 is equal to heat transfer by convection at the base is equal to same. Under root HP Ka T naught minus T infinity. So whatever we have spent 2 hours, that is for this equation. What is the heat transfer from the base when x is equal to 0? Okay, now we have calculated it. Q is equal to, Q means conduction, by conduction, under root HP Ka T naught minus T infinity. And same equation we will get if you calculate heat transfer from the base by the convection. It will be same. It will be same only when, which is the condition we are taking? Long, infinitely long fin. Infinitely long fin. Okay. So what is Q? Heat transfer by conduction at the base when x is equal to 0. QC, heat transfer by convection at the base, okay, when x is equal to 0. Nikhil, understood? Nikhil Ahire, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Little bit or 100%?
Little bit, sir.
What is the problem? Tell me.
The problem is not there right now, but the equations are a little bit confusing. That's why.
Okay, don't worry about equation. That is not part of now our syllabus because of this online examination. Okay. The important thing is how you have calculated now Q. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So remember this Q.
Okay, sir.
And I am going to share this PPT once again. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Because I can understand now these many steps we cannot remember. I am just showing you and you cannot recognize all these steps. If you are following, if you are writing the step, then you can remember, somehow you can remember. So remember these two equations, okay? So which case we have taken now? We have gone through the case 1 when the pins are infinitely long. Okay, and in that you have to remember only two things. First one is temperature distribution, this one, theta by T naught. And second one, the equation of Q. You need to remember these two one. Okay. Then now we will take second case. We will take second case, long fin with now insulated tip. Are you getting? Long fin with insulated tip means now what? The tip which we will consider, it will be insulated. This tip which we are going to consider, it will be insulated. So I am trying to show the insulation, but okay, now the pen is active. Very good. So now we will take second case, long fin. Now it is not infinitely long fin, it is just long fin. Okay, with the insulated tip. Now here, now the pen is active. Here, if you see, the tip is insulated. Okay. If tip is insulated means what? The heat transfer through this tip will be zero. Means Q will be zero. Q will be zero. Understood? So again, we will consider the same equation. Theta is equal. This is a very important. Theta is equal to, this will be asked in GATE also. Okay. What is the generalized equation for temperature distribution for fins? Okay. So theta is equal to C1 e to the power EMX plus C2 to the power minus EMX. Okay. Now, what will the boundary condition? Okay. First boundary condition at x is equal to 0 at base surface. T is equal to T infinity. And what will be theta? Theta is equal to theta naught, T naught minus T infinity. Same. First boundary condition will be same. Okay. And if you apply the first boundary condition, you will get same equation. C1 plus C2 is equal to theta naught. Okay. Now what will be second boundary condition? Okay. For getting the now second boundary condition, first differentiate this theta with respect to x. So d theta by dx is equal to, you will get this one. This we have seen. So now what is second boundary condition? At x is equal to L, as q is equal to 0, d theta by dt is equal to 0. Okay. We have seen whenever there is a q is equal to 0, if there is no heat transfer, d theta by dt will be 0. Isn't it? So therefore, if you apply this now, two boundary conditions, okay, what is the, which case we are referring? Again, I am telling you, we are referring the case where the fin is long enough with the other end is insulated. So if this other end is insulated, what will happen? Through this end, the Q will be 0. The Q will be 0. If Q will be 0, okay, at a distance of x is equal to L, Q is equal to 0. So d theta by dt, there will be no heat transfer. Therefore, d theta by dt will be what? 0. Isn't it? So therefore, if you apply this now, two boundary conditions, okay, what is the, which case we are referring? Again, I am telling you, we are referring the case where the fin is long enough with the other end is insulated. So if this other end is insulated, what will happen? Through this end, the Q will be 0. The Q will be 0. If Q will be 0, okay, at a distance of x is equal to L, Q is equal to 0. So d theta by dt, there will be no heat transfer. Therefore, d theta by dt will be what? 0. d theta by, sorry, dx. D theta by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so again you need to find out the value of C1, C2. I will not take derivation now. Okay, I will directly tell you when the long fin is there with the insulated tip, we will get this temperature profile. Okay, that is theta by theta naught is equal to T minus T infinity divided by T naught minus T infinity is equal to cos h m L minus x divided by cos h ml. Understood? Okay, this is the temperature distribution, and temperature distribution at the tip when x is equal to L. If you put x is equal to L here, what you will get? L minus L. This will be what? This is the generalized equation for a fin with a insulated tip. Okay, but when x is equal to L at the tip, okay, then this L minus L will be 0, so cos h will be m 1. Okay, so 1 divided by cos h ml. So this is the two equation you need to remember. Okay, now I have not taken a derivation. In derivation, what you need to find out? C1, C2, then replace in theta, then you will get this equation. Okay, and if you find out now the heat transfer by conduction at the base, it will come around this one. Theta is equal to this one. Okay, so you need to remember this equation. This equation for what? Second case. These equations are for second case. What is second case? Long fin with insulated tip. I have not taken a detailed derivation now. I have just given the formula, but you should remember how these have arrived by following the same steps. Okay, by following the same steps, we will find out theta. We will use the equation of theta. Then d theta by dx. We will apply the boundary condition. Then you will get the value of C1, C2. If you put the value of C1 and C2, ultimately you will get the temperature distribution along the fins. Okay, this is a temperature distribution at the tip because you are putting x is equal to L. So cos hm of 0 will be 1. And this will be the equation this way also. I would have directly given you the formula of case 1, okay, but that would have not enhanced your understanding. Okay, now you can understand the things. What is theta? What is theta naught? Okay, so here if you consider TL, what is TL? TL is the temperature at the tip. TL. Okay. Here, in case 2, long fin with insulated tip at a distance of L, the temperature will not equal to T infinity. It will be TL. It will be TL. So the temperature at the tip will be TL, not T infinity, because it is not infinitely long. Suppose that is infinitely long in case 1, that is now reduced to T infinity. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now we may have two type of fins, है ना? The rectangular fins and the circular fins. The rectangular fins or the circular fins. Okay. So in rectangular fins, you know the perimeter formula. Okay, it is 2 into T plus W. 2 into T plus W. But if thickness is very small than width, if the thickness is very small than width, then you can directly take P is equal to TW. Okay, if thickness is very small than width, then you can take directly P is equal to TW, twice of width. Area, you know, for rectangular T into infinity, okay, thickness into width. And this is a change in M. What is M? PH by KA. Okay. So if perimeter is equal to twice W, then this will be changed. If thickness is very smaller than width, then we replace P by twice W. Okay, and you will get twice H divided by KT, under root twice divided by KT. For circular fin, what is the perimeter formula? Pi d, and what is the area? Pi by 4 into d square. Okay, these two type of fins we are going to study. Okay, the rectangular fins and the circular fins. Please write down this one. This is important. Finished? Finished, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So when, please listen this very carefully. In a rectangular fin, when the width, is less than length. For rectangular fin, when the width is less than length, and for circular fin, when diameter is less than length. When diameter is less than length, it is called as pin fin. It is called as, it is very difficult to write now. It is called as pin fin. What is pin fin? Pin fin can be rectangular or can be circular. What is spin fin? For rectangular, when the width is less than length. In rectangular fins, when the width is less than length, it is called as spin fin. And when the diameter is less than length, for circular, it is called as spin fin. And for the effective heat transfer, we always use pin fin rectangular or pin fin circular. Okay. Understood? So pin fin width is less than length for rectangular, and for circular the diameter is less than length. Understood? It is called as pin fin. Understood? Nikhil, my VOLP account is active. By tomorrow, you will get the PPT of first chapter. What about video? Do you want video? Video means what? The lecture we have recorded.
Yes,
I
sir.
think
Share
there are
that
9
also.
lectures of Unit 1. So, do you want that also?
Yes, sir. Yes. Share that also.
Yes, sir. You can upload it on Vault so that the other student who didn't get to attend the classes due to network problem, they can view it later.
काय बोललो कोणी काय समजलं नाही मला.
सर वॉल्टवर टाकून द्या ज्या
You
मुलांना
can फक्त ऐकू आलं.
वॉल्टवर टाकून द्या ज्या मुलांना बघता नाही आलं.
Okay. अरे मग पूर्ण क्लास अटेंड नाही करणार, ते व्हिडिओ बघणार. व्हिडिओ मी समजत नाही इतकं.
नाही सर समजतंय.
ठीक आहे, मी टाकतो सगळं. मी इथे विचारत होतो. ठीक आहे. समजलं व्हॉट इज पिन पिन पिन? Again, I come back to the screen. Only 33 people are there. 39 was present when the lecture was started. Rugved Desai, have you understood pin fin?
Yes, sir.
What is pin fin, beta?
For rectangular fin, when width is less than length, and for circular spin, diameter is less than length. Then
Very good. Thank you. Now, this is the ultimate table that you should remember. Okay, we have taken 2 cases. First one is infinitely long fin, and second one is long fin with insulated tip, not infinite. Okay, so this is the temperature distribution and this is the heat transfer. These formula you should remember. I would have directly given this formula to you. That would have saved my 2 hours. But what matters? Understanding matters. Okay, not formula matters. So please write down this table. Please copy this table now. And please sit with one register and pen. We are going to solve the example. Now, when we will solve the example, then the ideas will be more clear. this small l nothing but is a capital, is a length. Small l nothing but length. Okay, this is a length. This is a length. Now in your calculator, okay, please try how to get cos h tan h. This is a provision. Cos h. How to find out cos h tan h? Finished, all of you? Have you copied this table? This small l nothing but length. Okay, don't get confused. Yes, have you copied? Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone left? Anyone who has not copied? When you are writing now, then you are mesmerizing something. So writing is very important thing. If you are taking down the notes, means you are developing your understanding. So reading the PPTs and taking the notes or writing the notes while the session is going on, the more important thing is you are taking the notes while session is going on. That will broaden your understanding. So now we will take one problem and then we will stop. Okay. So aluminum rod, 2 centimeter diameter and 10 centimeter long protrudes. Okay, protrudes म्हणजे बाहेर येणं. Protrudes म्हणजे काय? Extension, बाहेर येणं. Okay. A aluminum rod of 2 centimeter diameter and 10 centimeter long protrudes from the wall maintained at 300 degrees Celsius. The rod is exposed to the surroundings at 1500 degree Celsius. Heat transfer coefficient between the rod surface and the environment is 20 watt per meter Kelvin. The thermal conductivity of material is 200 watt per meter Kelvin. Assume the rod end is insulated. Assume the rod end is zalate. Assume the rod end is insulated. Find the total heat dissipated by rod. Okay. So please read this problem. Okay, twice, thrice, and try to understand the thing. So here, if you see in the pictorial image, aluminium rod of 2 centimeter diameter. This is the aluminium rod of 2 centimeter diameter, 10 centimeter long, protrudes. Protrudes म्हणजे बाहेर येणं. Okay, so protrudes from the wall. This is the wall. Okay. Protrudes from the wall, maintained at 300 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature of the wall? It is 300 degree Celsius. Okay. T naught is 300 degrees Celsius. The rod is exposed to the surrounding at 15 degrees Celsius. So what is surrounding temperature? Nothing but T infinity. It is 15 degree Celsius. Okay. The heat transfer coefficient between rod surface and the environment H is given 20 watt per meter square Kelvin. Thermal conductivity of rod is given, and what is the condition? Assume the rod end is insulated. So second case, what is given? Second case is given. So what you need to find out? Total heat dissipated by the rod. Okay, we have to find out. Understood? So means you have to find out Q. You have to find out Q. So how to find out Q? You know the formulas now. You know the formula, na? Thus we have seen the formula here. This is the second case. This is the formula. Okay. Q is equal to under root H P K A theta naught tan HML. Okay. So what is given? Diameter is given 2 centimeter. So it will be 0.2 meter. Length is given 10 centimeters, so 0.1. Okay. Then you need to find out theta naught. What will be theta naught? T naught minus T infinity. So what is T naught? If the temperature, if that aluminium rod of 10 centimeter protrudes from the wall, okay, protrudes from the wall which is maintained at 300 Celsius. So this will be a what? Temperature of the wall as well as temperature of the at the base. Temperature at the base where x is equal to 0. Therefore, we have taken T naught is equal to 300 degree Celsius. Okay. So therefore, we have calculated theta naught, nothing but T naught minus T infinity. It is come around 285 degree Celsius. Okay. Then we need to find out perimeter. Okay. So what is perimeter? Pi into D. So pi into D, it is come roughly around 0.06283. Okay. Then we need to find out area also. So what is the area of this fin? Pi by 4 into D square. So pi by 4 into 0.02 square. Okay. So this will be around 0.000314 meters square. Okay. Unit is here is meter. Please write down unit. I forgot to mention the unit, meter square. Then you can find out M. What is M? Under root PH divided by KA. Okay. So H is 20. It is given H is 20. P 0.06283, K is 200, and area you already taken. So what is M? M value is approximately 4.472. Okay, find out it. Cross check it. Okay, don't copy the things. And then you have to find out the total heat dissipated by the rod, which is nothing but under root HPKA theta naught tan H ml. Okay. So in your calculator, please check whether you have the function of tan H. How to find out tan H? Search it and find out tan H of ml. Okay. Now tell me the value Q. What will be Q? Tell me the value of Q. Tell me the value of Q. Take calculator.
Sir, is it 33.59?
In mobile also you have a calculator.
33.59.
What is the unit?
Unit, 1 second.
What is your name, beta?
Rohit Deshpande. Rohit
Harsh?
Deshpande, sir.
Oh, okay. So Rohit,
Yes, yes, sir.
uh, please explain how you have find out tan H in calculator. We have used calculator or mobile.
Calculator, sir. Sir, there is a
Explain.
hyperbolic button HYP. You have to click that first and then the tan button.
Okay.
So you get tan H.
So can you make your video on, Rohit,
1 second, sir.
for just to do 1 minute? 1 minute. Where are you? I'm not getting you.
Sir,
पण तुझा व्हिडिओ काय फायदा नाही कारण की तू प्रेझेंट नाही असू दे. ओके एकदा रिपीट कर फक्त.
HYP हायपरबोलीचं फंक्शनचं तिथे बटन आहे, ते दाबायचं आणि मग साइन कॉस टॅन जे काय हवंय ते मग टॅन एच येतं.
सर एक्स स्क्वेअरच्या
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच रोहित. हा कोण बोलत होतं?
काही नाही सर, मी तेच म्हणत होतो, एक्स स्क्वेअरच्या खाली येते हायपरबोलिक.
हा एक्सप्रेसचा खाली आहे, हायपरबोलिक दाबा आणि मग टॅन दाबा. There will be tan h. So here again I am repeating, temperature at the base, why it is taken 300, T0, why it is taken 300, because temperature of the wall is 300 and the part from where that rod is start, we are assuming again it is at temperature 300. The temperature of the wall and the temperature of the rod from where it start is same, where x is equal to 0. Therefore, we have taken T0 is equal to 300. Okay. So we have got now Q is equal to 33.6 watt. It is very small if you assume, not kilowatt, watt. Because we are considering only one fin. Okay. So likewise, there are arrays of fin, number of fins. So if you calculate the heat transfer through one fin, just multiply by number of fins, isn't it? You will get now heat transfer rate. So therefore, we are using number of fins. Okay. Not single fin. We are using number of fins, arrays of fins. This rod is nothing but fin. Okay. Finished all of you? I will find out Q. You can install scientific calculator in your mobile also. In mobile, there is a function of scientific calculator. I do have it. So here also you can find out hyper tan. Directly tan HML comes. Yes, Abhijit, Purandare, Chetan, Tote, do you got answer? Neha Patil, Parth, Kalate, Rohit Sawant, Rutvik, Sagar Patil, do you got answer? Siddhi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nikhil? So now second thing, what you have to find out, the temperature of rod at a 4 centimeter from the wall. The temperature of the rod at the 4 centimeter from the wall. Okay. Now there is the importance of temperature distribution. So you know T infinity minus T infinity, divided by T naught minus T infinity is equal to this cos. Okay, so we have to find out temperature T at a distance of 0.04. X is equal to 0.0. So you have to put X as 0.04. So T minus 15, you know T is 15. T naught is 300, 300 minus 15. Cos H, you know M, you know length 0.1 minus now 0.04 because X is equal to 0.04. Okay. Now you will get temperature. Tell me the value of temperature at a distance of X. Nikhil Ahire, are you there? अरे आरू देव कुठे आहे तू? हा ठीक आहे. तुझं क्लास कधी आहे नेक्स्ट? आता नाही ना काही? फक्त 2 मिनिटं एक्सप्लेन करतो काय. ठीक आहे.
So 328.97.
What is the answer of T?
328.97 degrees Celsius.
328.97. Are you sure? The answer is 283.06.
283.06.
Check it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So problem, if you know formula, it is very easy. Now you would have considered the derivation, which were very complicated. They are complicated, but now because of online, they are not in syllabus. So you need to concentrate on formulas. Okay, but you should know the steps, procedure, because when you will go for higher education, MTech, okay, there you will need this one. Then आलं का सगळ्यांचं? आन्सर आला का? Then what is asked? Temperature at the end of the rod. Okay. Temperature at the end of the rod means at the tip. So at the tip, X is equal to L. So there is numerator, it become 1. So you need to find out temperature at the end of the rod now. When X is equal to 0.1, length is equal to now X. What is the answer?
273.69.
Temperature at the end of the rod, you will find out 273.7. Okay. Are you getting this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So that's all. Please put your attendance and you can leave. Shreyas Jambure, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What will be heat transferred through the tip? In this problem, what will be heat transferred through the tip?
Sir, 33.6 watt.
No. I want heat transfer through the tip, not heat transfer through the fin, throughout the fin. I want heat transfer through the tip. Which is which case, Shreyas? Have you noted the problem?
Yes, sir.
Which is the which case?
Rod tip is insulated.
Rod tip is insulated means the next end it is insulated, na?
Yes, sir.
So if it is insulated, what will be heat transfer through the tip?
0, sir.
0. Shreyas,
Yes, sir.
heat transfer through the tip will be 0 because it is insulated, na?
Yes, sir.
This type of question is asked in GATE. You will get all the values, and what will be asked? The heat transfer through the tip. You will find out 33.83, that will be there, but the answer is 0. So if you have any problem, confusion, please you can stay in the meeting and you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave by entering your roll number, and please enter the roll number of what your CR also, Nikhil Ahire. Please enter the roll number of Nikhil Ahire also.